Hi, my name is Bob Lindy. I'm an acupuncture and herbalist in St. Petersburg, Florida. I'm here today to teach you how to make an herbal muscle rub. So first thing we want to do is go ahead and gather our supplies. We need a stainless steel pan and of course a stove or some other kind of heating element, some nice organic olive oil. We need to go ahead and choose our herbs. Today I'm going to use birch bark and kava-kava. The birch bark because of its very aromatic properties. We need a strainer, some cheesecloth, and a glass bowl in order to receive the muscle rub or the oil infusion that we're going to make. So once you've gotten your materials together, we want to go ahead and place our herbs and our oil into the pan and make sure you heat it at a low heat. Do it very gently. You don't want to bring it to a boil because then we're going to go ahead, we'd lose our essential oils. So go ahead and keep it at a low temperature for ideally a couple of hours. And then once we've done that, we can place our herbs into the cheesecloth, pour it through the strainer, squeeze out as much as you can through the cheesecloth, get all the last essential oils squeezed into the bowl, and then we've got our muscle rub. We can go ahead and use that as a massage oil, or you could even go ahead and add some beeswax to it and make a salve if you want to.